Class design examples, example 3. We have to open up the images. Alright, here they are all next to each other, so let's just hold down shift, select all three, and say open. And have all three opened. What we can do is go to arrange documents at the top here, and we can choose a window like that so we can see all three at once. So we work in this one. I'm not going to worry now about image size, you know how to do that, and we control J immediately, and here we have our main document, and we want to drop the opacity of this one. This is going to be the background one, so we can go straight to the opacity and we can bring that down somewhere around there. Now when you see the checkerboard in the background, that shows you that it is now transparent, but it can be confusing. So to see the amount, what we can do is go to the background layer. At the bottom here we can go create new layer. Let's click on that and let's fill it with white. So white is background, so we know we've got to use control backspace, and now you can see here that the checkerboard is gone and you can see the opacity. So we can go back to that layer and we can drop it even more if we'd like to make it more like a watermark, but yeah, it's up to your taste and your design. What we can very easily do is now select the next image, click on it and drag it over and let go. Now you can see it's quite large, so all we're going to do is press Ctrl T and our handlebars come up. We hold down shift to lock the constraints so we keep the aspect ratio correct. Drag it down to the size we want more or less, press enter and put it in place. Now if we click between the layers, you'll see nothing's happening, so we can go auto select. Now if we click on the background, you can see in the layers docker how we move. Click on the top one, you see there. Right, now we're going to click on the next image and we're going to click and drag him over. We can copy and paste, we can do numerous things to bring them in. Now automatically we go to Control T, hold down the shift, make him a lot smaller, we're going to bring him in there, press enter because that's exactly what we want, and now all we need to do is to change direction. So we'll go to edit, transform, flip horizontally, and there you can see he's flipped around. These ones I can close, and we'll just change that back to view, and there we have it. Straightforward and simple, back to wherever we want. And you can see by changing the paste to the background, it just allows the other images to blend in better. Thank you.